know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you won't win.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, we back with another video, man. We back on the LS thing. I've been working today, but the past couple days, man, I took a few days off to get out in these streets and fellowship and ride out with my boys, man. It was a great weekend, eventful weekend. Everybody rode. We did a long trip, like an hour, almost an hour and a half or whatever, to Hertford, North Carolina. Nobody had any issues with their cars, man. Hey, we got out there and had a good time, man. That's what it's all about. This is only the beginning of the summer. It's way more to come, man. We're gonna be out there in them streets. I'm putting miles on the MC like no other. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get into this LS thing, man. I done got a lot done. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at with it. And we're going to go from there, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we're dropping these videos, man. So here we go in my little corner, man. Got both heads installed. Got the rocker arms and push rods installed. I used the stock ones, reusing the stock ones. I only did a stage 2 cam, so I don't need to upgrade the rocker arms and push rods. So that's what I did. I used the old ones. I didn't want to do any guesswork or anything with setting, you know, with the aftermarket adjustable rocker arms or whatever the case may be. So I went back with the stock. I followed my book, here. So as y'all can see, I've been using it. The book all dirty. That mean I've been using it. You know what I'm saying? So we just set the valves, not the valves. We just set the rocker arms and push rods. Like I said, step by step by the book. That's what I did. Got everything masked off so I couldn't get any trash or anything inside the cylinder heads. So now the next step will be to install the valve cover gaskets. I'm gonna hit up my homeboy first though, you know what I'm saying, just go over what I did and just kind of show him where I'm at with it so that you know, I just feel good about it before I move on to the next step. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, man, so I just want to make sure I'm doing it to the best of my ability. So I'm gonna definitely use that second, you know what I'm saying, that phone a friend, man. I'm about to hit him up in a minute actually, and just ask him, you know, just tell him what I did and show him, you know, show him what I got going on. So like I said, the next thing will be the valve covers and valve cover gaskets. Y'all see I got it taped up because I really should have painted the block already, but I didn't, so oh well. So I got it taped up so that I can clean up everything around the block, degrease, and paint all this stuff. I got a new oil level sensor. I got new knot sensors. I got new crank sensor. The cam shaft sensor is already in there. So yeah, we getting there, man. Like I said, she's starting to look like a motor again. You know what I'm saying? Ready to get this thing painted up. And then once I finish the engine and stuff, I gotta clean up the transmission. I'm gonna clean it up, you know, clean it up a little bit and paint it. Just make it look nice, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no SEMA quality crap, but you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be good enough for me and what I got going on. But yeah. Hey man, y'all stay locked in with me, man. We working over here, man, every chance we get. And I also got the water pump and the crank pulley painted. So as y'all know, if you've been watching, man, that water pump was real bad and ugly. So I used my rust reformer. I figured this would be the best thing to use on it. I used my rust reformer on it, put about 3 coats on that thing, taped up all my stuff that I didn't need paint on, and I just taped up these hoses. I actually should have put a new thermostat in there before I painted it, but oh well. I'll just throw the thermostat in there and then repaint it if I have to. And then this is the crank pulley. So I tried my best not to get much paint in the grooves, which I don't think that'll be an issue anyway, but just something that I was trying to be mindful of. But yeah, this stuff looking pretty good, man. I want it to look nice, so this is what we working with, man. We gonna go on to, I gotta take a little break, man, and take my guy his torque wrenches back, and then we'll be back on this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and install the valve covers and gaskets, man. I'll be right back with y'all in a minute, man. It's gonna be a couple hours for me, but it's gonna be just a few seconds for y'all, man. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, man. Please, 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 because you don't want to miss what we got going on, man. We putting in work over here. I'm trying to motivate somebody to get outside, get in their garage, get in their parking lot, wherever they call it, and get some fucking work done, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boy, look at that paint work, man. Come on, dog. What shop did that? Woo. All right, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the spark plugs now. I went back with the original spark plugs, Iridium AC Delco. Got my anti-seize. We're gonna go ahead and install them things. Where the hole is it? Right there, where they belong. And once we install them, actually I'm gonna have to tape this up, but I'm gonna go ahead and install the spark plugs though. That way that'll be done, and I won't forget about it. So spark plugs, valve covers, and gaskets, which are over here. They done got all dirty and stuff, but y'all see that, man. One of them shops y'all be going to did that. Or not. Because if the shop did it, it'll probably still be there for the rest of the year. I'm just saying. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install these valve cover gaskets. Felpro gaskets on everything, man. I'm gonna try to get y'all set up so I can time lapse y'all and show y'all what we got going on, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we got the spark plugs installed, as well as the valve cover gaskets. Got them torqued down, 106 inch-pounds, which is not much at all. I didn't tighten these all the way up yet. I'm gonna do that off camera, but she coming together, man. Like I said, she's starting to look like an engine again. A complete engine, I'll put it like that. And if I must say so myself, it's looking pretty good. AC Delcos, man. Gotta replace this. I got the new sensor for that too. New gaskets, y'all see it. Head gaskets on there, torqued all down. We working over here, man. We working. All right, y'all. It's break time for me, man. I got an appointment to go to. Well, I got to clean up in the house downstairs, because I got company coming over a little while longer today. And so I got to straighten up a little bit in the house. And then I got an appointment that I got to go to. So I gotta take a break. Y'all see that, man. They still out here curing, drying, looking like new parts over there. But yeah, so I'm about to have to take a break, y'all. It's probably gonna be only a few seconds for y'all. I don't know where I'm gonna end this video at, but probably gonna be only a few seconds for y'all, but it's gonna be a couple hours for myself. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this thing up, which I'm not going to tighten this cover down yet, because actually, well, yeah, I gotta get the cover. I think I said this already, but I gotta get the cover that go on here that you can jack it up with the engine hoist to drop the motor in. But for now, I'm gonna just screw a couple of these in here to just kind of keep the engine covered up. Just screw these down a little bit. A few of the corners in the middle, so that'll do it. So this one, and that one are screwed down a little bit so it won't go anywhere, won't let any dust in there. And then we're gonna come back to it once we get from this appointment and taking care of some personal stuff. But as y'all can see, she coming back together, y'all. This all me. It's all me. As far as hands on, it's all me. I gotta give a shout out to my boy over with Broke Rich Racing and Shed Built Motors, my boy Bruce, man. He been on standby for me. Every time I hit him up, he answer. And I've been pretty much doing it myself. I don't want anybody to do it for me. I want to learn. And like I said, I'm using the book that he recommended to me. And every time I pretty much do something, I just call him, tell him what I did and show it to him. He be like, all right, you good. And then I keep it moving, man. I just need that, that second opinion, that confirmation, that verification, man, that I'm doing it right. Even though I read it and did the steps, like this dude do this every day. So I want to run it by him first. But yeah, y'all see how we coming, man. This LS will be in there with some oil pressure pretty soon, man. I ain't rushing it though. We'll get there when we get there.